Hello, Cardinals. We're going to be talking about investigation 7.1 today, colliding objects with the same mass. And we're going to be focusing on how cars react after they collide. Before we do that, we want to talk about yesterday's exit slip, in which you were supposed to describe an event and then draw some force arrows to go along with those objects. So depending on which one you chose, we'll be discussing that a little bit in class, the forces occurring and which ones show Newton's third law. We're also going to be looking at the first objective: describe conservation of energy in your own words and use an example or a picture or diagram to support your description. So a chance to think back to yesterday's getting started and what we did involving energy and energy transfer. Today we're going to be predicting the motion of a car when it collides with an object of the same mass. And then we're going to be using evidence to support a claim. That's what will happen within our conclusion. So for the investigation today, there are 13 steps. We have car A, which does not have the bumper on it. So when you think of car B, think of bumper has the B. And you'll be putting those on the floor and predicting what's going to happen when car A collides with car B. And you're going to be drawing diagrams at the beginning of the investigation of the system, everything that's happening there, and then predicting what will happen when they collide. You're going to be discussing a lot of questions with your groups. You're going to be placing car A at the top of the ramp and car B on the floor 50 centimeters from the bottom of the ramp, and then releasing car A so it successfully collides with car B, and then repeating. You're going to be measuring with a meter stick and collecting your distance. You're going to probably want to do this a number of times to get a large amount of data. And then you're going to just do the same thing with car A. It will not collide with car B. That's step 9, and just car A by itself. Then you'll be comparing your results of car A and car B, and comparing your results with other groups. And you'll be doing some reflecting about your force diagrams and how the system worked. And then you're going to be writing a summary in your science notebook about the collisions. You're going to use data from your investigations within your summary. And you're going to use words like energy transfer or energy transformation within that summary. So thinking about how two cars collide and how the energy is transferred from one to another. As you look at your list, there are 13 steps, and when you get time, you can prep for 7.2. If you are absent, there is an investigation 7.1 video that shows two cars colliding, so you can get a visual for that. Hopefully you have a great day, Cardinals. Let us know if you have any questions.